How to create a ClickBank account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and now search for clickbank.com. Then here you want to click on the login option. Now here click on create a new account option at the bottom of your screen. Then it's going to redirect you to this page. Here you need to enter some of your details. So enter your country, then you want to enter your first name, then enter your last name. Now enter your phone number and then you want to enter your email address. After that, you want to enter your password. Make sure that the password meets all the criteria given below. After that, you want to click on Continue to Terms and Conditions option. Here you can go through all the terms and conditions of ClickBank. Once you have gone through all of this, head back and you want to check the box that says I have agreed to terms and conditions. Now click on the Create Account option and your new account of ClickBank will be created. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.